is Life on Two Wheels here. So I'm all set for my ride to Vasota. It's getting a little hot in here.
Didn't even get to cross.
So I have my tank bag with me, Rhinox tank bag, and I have my backpack, and I've kind of made it like a DIY tail bag. Hey, what is up everyone? So the time right now is almost 9:30, and the meeting time was 9:30. So I guess I'll be reaching by 10. So today I'm heading out to Vasota to camp with my friends. So there are about 9 to 10 people in total, I guess. Meeting point that has been decided is Katat CCD, and from there we'll continue further to Satara and collect biryanis. I need to fill some fuel. I've completely filled my tank. Vasota basically is a really beautiful place. It's located around 135 kilometers from Pune, and basically it's a jungle, but we are not heading exactly there. Near that place there's a lake. I don't know, there's some kind of village. I don't know, the Bamboli village or something like that. I don't know the exact name. So we're heading out there. I had gone even last year, but sadly I had recorded a lot of footage, but I could not upload or edit because my PC had corrupted and I had to delete everything from there. Alright, so this is the highway that I'll be taking, the Pune-Satara highway. The meeting point is just up ahead. It's on the left hand side. That's a CCD. It's the Cartridge CCD, the branch basically. Plant for barbecue, bonfire, and as I said before, we're also collecting biryani from Satara. So it's gonna be a really fun weekend. So today is Saturday. So we're gonna stay for the night and possibly return by tomorrow afternoon or evening, I guess. We'll be arriving in Pune, I guess mostly afternoon. Alright, so this is the meeting point. I hope everyone has arrived. Oh, come on, no one has come yet. I'm the first person. And the meeting time was 9:30. What's the time right now? It's almost 9:45. So I'm just 15 minutes late and yet no one has arrived. I'll have to call each and everyone.
"2,000 years later."
Alright people. So the time right now is almost 1 PM in the afternoon. And I came here at the meeting point at 9:45. So you can see the difference. Hey, mera bhi ek bag hai, ruk. I'll just keep my bag inside. Okay, so from 9:45 till 1 PM I waited here at CCD.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, so we have 3 R15, 1 Gixxer, 1 Duke, 1 RC200, 1 Royal Enfield, Thunderbird, 1 Royal Enfield Himalayan.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no.
Alright, so we had a fuel stop for everyone, and we have this car, the Skoda.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Alright, so we are done with 55 kilometers almost, and we are still heading towards Satara.
Race and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Was in midway, my liver kind of got loose. I'm just trying to fix that.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
अबे कैसा स्क्रू ड्राइवर है यार? स्क्रू ये ऊपर का घूमता है, अंदर का नहीं घूमता है सर।
ऐसा ही हुआ नापतोल।
नापतोल है क्या? ये देखना। That's how you ride the Himalayan.
Echoing around these.
Alright, so we have arrived at Satara. We have done with 110 kilometers, almost 111 kilometers. And as I said before, we'll be collecting biryani from here. I've already ordered on phone, so we just have to collect it.
Walls fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And
Alright, we have collected our biryani, took a short break, and now we'll continue further. We're gonna stop and have some snacks ahead. And the time right now is 3:30. Alright, so we're looking for a place to eat. Scanning right now. So this is where we will have our lunch. Right, so we have taken off. We had a stop at a restaurant and ate some pav bhaji and ice cream. Check out the view of my ride. It's really, really beautiful, and ahead of me as well. So this is the same location where I had shot the video last year. What the hell are they doing in the middle of the road? Okay, showing the video about the Duke 390 guy almost crashing into the Avenger guy. So I'll post the link and the description if you want to check it out. The corners here are not really safe because it's a two-way area, two-way road.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on and on.
And the temperature is getting cold up here as we go up and up.
ये भाईजान, ये झंडू सेलो टेप लगाना।
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Alright, I guess we have to go somewhere down there. There's jungle on our left hand side as well as on our right hand side. Really, really chilly here. The climate is really cold. It's not the same as Satara or Pune.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see
The lake, we are going down there, and we'll be camping right there. And we'll be camping in front of the lake.
the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So this is it. Check out the view, guys, in front of me. The same place we were here last year, in the same month as well.
And on we'll go.
Alright, so now we are kind of looking for a place to settle in. Because the last time we came, we had camped right there where the water is right now. This year it rained too much and it has entirely covered our spot. and my bike is stuck. Yeah! अरे वाह, हम तो हिमालयन लेंगे, हिमालयन. Alright, oh, first time on a Himalayan. Even this rear tends to slide completely. Abe. इसकी तो okay. So I finally arrived in the parking. The time right now is almost 3:30. I just wanna have a shower and just go to sleep. I'm super tired right now. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to check out more of my stuff, then do subscribe. Bye bye.